nay tôi làm bánh xèo. Xèo lắm.
In this video, my mom is going to show you a quick and easy way to make the batter for the crepes. My sister and I are going to show you a few tricks and tips on how to make the crepes crispy. And we have family members standing by and ready to taste the crepes. So let's get started by making the batter for the Banh Xeo. The most important part of making Banh Xeo is the batter for the sizzling crepe. Banh Xeo is sizzling Vietnamese crepes.
Có sẵn đây.
Rồi một can cái nước cốt dừa phải không? 1 can of coconut milk. And then instead of water, she's using club soda. Đây cô mở nha. Rồi bà ngoại is not measuring. I think you need 4 cups of water for one of the store-bought flour mix that my mom just showed you. Club soda has the carbonated, so it's gonna make the crepes sizzling. Rồi bà ngoại is putting in green onions. Rồi bột dừa chưa? The store-bought flour already have the turmeric in there, but we're gonna add extra in it. Má nó quậy lên để chút thôi. So just a little bit, just to add the yellowish color. So once you have this batter, let it rest. We're going to cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes, and then we'll ready to assemble and put everything together.
So we have
belly that Mom poached this morning.
And then we have shrimp,
Sliced
onion,
jicama.
bean sprout, and jicama. And this is the flour Mom already mixed.
Yes. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put in oil. Okay, bà ngoại, show us how it's done. Cái thịt này má luộc rồi má cắt ra phải không? Luộc cho nó chín hay là luộc sơ sơ thôi?
Luộc cho nó chín.
Ok, rồi mà sáng này má cắt ra nhờ má bỏ hành, bỏ tôm ha.
Bắt lửa không?
Rồi bỏ bột vô. Rồi đậy nắp lại.
Đừng đây để bỏ trứng luôn. Để cho nó khô khô chút thì nó mới giòn.
So my sister technique is she put an egg in it, but an egg is too much, so I bought a quail egg. So you break that up and try to get it all over.
I normally put it before I put the bean sprout. Let it dry up so the texture is more crispy.
Okay.
Because the vegetable have a lot of moisture. But right now,
She took away the new mom now.
You took over for bà ngoại. She's mad.
she's mad.
I'm going to show you guys my method of doing it. I want the heat high almost when you're going to set the smoke alarm off, because whoops, I'm going to go ahead and set this is pork belly that we're using. Pork belly has some fat in here already, so I am going to pour a bunch of meat because we got Vinh and we got John, and I think they're meat eaters, right? So we're going to put after I put in the protein, I'm going to go ahead and add in the batter. Get the batter to all dry up. So once the batter is all dry, then I'm going to go ahead and apply the oil. Crank the heat up again. I learned this technique from a restaurant in San Jose. The last time I went to a restaurant before COVID was in San Jose, and the restaurant is called Banh Xeo. So I asked the owner what is her secret for crispy Banh Xeo, and just in a Vietnamese style, she changed topic. But I figured it out because in the middle, it's really burnt. It's burnt, but on the side, it's really crispy and it's filled with oil. So I think what she did was she didn't put oil at the beginning, and then she just applied oil after the batter hit the pan. I'm gonna add in the vegetable. I like jicama in Banh Xeo because it adds that extra crunch to the bite.
Yummy.
Yes, thank you, Vân. So I'm gonna cover, and I'm gonna let this hang out. So I smell that it's ready. It's a little bit burned, and I don't want it to burn. Okay, so this looks like it's the one that I had in San Jose. It's burned in the middle, but very crispy. Very crispy on the side. Rồi ba má thử cái bánh xèo ơi, con ngon không?
Bữa nay có bữa bánh xèo nhà mới của Rung Mén. Bánh xèo này sửa sản do mấy cái cô thợ này mà sửa sản này coi. Ăn bánh xèo phải nhúng tay vô, mà phải lấy cho còn đũa hết không được.
Ok.
Phải dùng tay.
Rồi ba ăn thử đây. Được không ba? Ngon không?
Ngon.
Hi, honey.
So
You gonna help me with some of this stuff?
Yeah, so let me get you started. I'm gonna pick up some lettuce and some mint, and we're just gonna make a bed.
yes.
Well, okay, I was wondering this earlier. It's been bugging me for a long time, in fact.
Okay, tell us why. What's
the
bugging
deal?
you?
Okay, what's the deal with the Vietnamese when they want to wrap everything in lettuce? Have you ever gotten that question before? Like, why do you wrap everything in lettuce?
Not from a Vietnamese person, because all Vietnamese know that the key essential ingredients to a good Vietnamese dish always include herbs.
Right.
Fresh herbs and fish sauce, the dipping sauce that you're about to use, is one of the key essential ingredients in any Vietnamese dish. It adds that freshness to the dish because we use a lot of oil in the crepes. So you got to balance it out with fresh herbs and vegetables. And that's the reason why you're seeing that. You see that in the crepes as well as the egg roll, because the egg roll has a lot of oil in there too.
Okay, well, that makes perfect sense.
Good. Anything else, Hoang, that you want to add, since you're Vietnamese too? Hello, we came from the same bloodline.
No, I'm anxious to just try this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Boy, that is really good. It's really unique, that combination of hot and cold.
Yeah.
And I didn't really know about it until I started eating more Vietnamese food.
Right.
And you said, well, I thought everybody knew about that.
That's right.
It turns out that most white people don't.
Oh.
You're white? Really?
Oh, we have Vietnamese.
Wow.
I'm turning Vietnamese. Well, let me just say I'm loving the food.
All right. I don't know why we got raised into this episode.
Because we're an interracial couple.
Hey, interracial couple are in these days. We accept all kinds of people.
Oh, we're on the cutting edge.
Okay, welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and I'm here with my sister Cuong and her husband Vân, and we're gonna taste Banh Xeo, my mom Banh Xeo.
It's an old tradition that you can eat two things. You can wrap up veggie, or you can eat by itself, which whoever don't like veggie. But with the veggie, you dip in the fish sauce, and this is how it's going to be tasting like. You taste the flavor and know that the shrimp and all the little veggies inside, it's all the crunchiness. Like I always say, yum yum, yum yum.
The fish sauce good. Amazing.
I started, but mom add more sugar to it. Start out with equal parts and then taste to see if you like. For Banh Xeo, I think the way that my mom made it, she add extra sugar, and then on top of that, I add lime juice, so it balances out.
Because
really
this sauce is to even sell. It's supposed to be sweet and sour. Cuong, that's the sauce to even sell.
And that's what we did. We did that not by design, but by accident, but it came out pretty good. So this is how my sister-in-law, Vietnamese people eat Banh Xeo. Bóc tay đi chị. War in the family, so.
Cũng cuốn lại giống vậy.
Cuốn. Ăn được không chị? Alright, good. We got positive review from everyone. Thank you everyone for watching, and we hope to see you back here again soon.